Bonsoir les amis, Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the demonstrative adjectives. I have completed some of the grammar lessons in French. I'm sharing the link over here. Kindly visit the link and watch and learn those grammar lectures. The pronunciation of today's topic is les. Because of the liaison rule, S will get connected with this A, zad, adjective, demonstrative. The pronunciation of each of these adjective demonstratives is so, second one is Cette, third one is also Cette, fourth one is say. So, Cette, Set, say. The first one, so, is used with a masculine singular noun. Second, Set is used with a feminine singular noun. Third, Set is used with a masculine singular noun starting with a vowel or a silent H. Please keep this in mind that this is used with a masculine singular noun. Say is used with a masculine or feminine plural noun. In front of means devant voyelle. In front of the vowel. Devant means in front of, voyelle means vowel. The meanings of these three are this or that. The last one is for plural, these or those. So I'm going to share a small exercise in which we are going to use these demonstrative adjectives. The first one is garçon est intelligent. Because of the liaison rule, the pronunciation will be intelligent. Garçon is the pronunciation of this, which means a boy. Ce will be used over here because with a masculine singular noun, since garçon is a masculine singular noun, so we will use ce. École est grand is the pronunciation. This means big or large. École is a feminine singular noun, so we will use cette. This school is large. The boy is, or this boy is intelligent. The third one, tu veux. This verb is vouloir. It means to wish or want. I'm sharing the link of this verb. How is it conjugated? Kindly visit the link and watch the conjugation of the verb vouloir in affirmation and negation. Tu veux dash pull. Pull means jumper or sweater. It is a masculine singular noun, so we will use so. El cone dash om. Om is the pronunciation here, which means men, since it is in plural form and it is starting with a silent H. But this is in plural form, so we will use say. She knows these men. Verb over here is connaître, which means to know. We will do the conjugation of the RE ending verbs in the upcoming lectures. We have done some of the RE ending verbs, but we will do and discuss this particular verb in future lectures. Fifth one, Ami abit apari. Verb over here is abite, which means to live. Since Ami is a masculine singular noun and it is starting with a vowel, so we will use Set. Set Ami Abhi Tapari. This friend lives in Paris. Sixth one, élève, parle, again, ER ending verb. I'm sharing the link of the ER ending verbs, how to conjugate them. Please learn the conjugation and affirmation and negation of both these verbs from the link which I have shared. Since it is starting with the vowel, élève, so we will use set. This student speaks Spanish. Spaniol is the pronunciation of this particular word. Español. 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 Parle is the pronunciation of this verb. And habite. Seventh one, il li journal a dash romo. Romo means novels. Here it is in plural form. Novels. Here the verb is lire, which means to read. He reads dash journal and dash romo. That is novels. So the journal is a masculine singular noun, so we will use se. It is in plural form romo, so we will use se. Eighth one, arbre. Arbre means trees. It is a plural form, so we will use se. Zabre will be the pronunciation over here because s will get connected with the j, so the pronunciation will be zabre. Ces arbres sont très grands. These trees are very big or large. Ninth one, veux-tu acheter? Acheter is the er ending verb. It means to buy. The pronunciation is acheter. Veux-tu? You want to buy cassette, cassette, a disc. This disc is in plural form, so we will use say, and cassette is a feminine singular noun, so we will use set. You want to buy this cassette and these discs or CDs. This means CDs. This cassette means cassettes. Dash hotel a magnifique. The pronunciation of this particular word is magnifique. Hotel is starting with a H and it is a masculine singular noun. So we will use Cette. This hotel is magnificent. Ce garçon est intelligent. This boy is intelligent. Cette école est grand. This school is big or large. Tu veux ce pull. You want this sweater. Elle connaît ces hommes. She knows these men. Cet ami habite à Paris. This friend lives in Paris. Cet élève parle espagnol. This student speaks Spanish. Il lit ce journal et ce roman. He reads this journal, newspaper. The pronunciation is journal, which means newspaper or journal. He reads this newspaper and these novels. Ces arbres sont très grands. These trees are very large or big. Vas-tu acheter ces cassettes et ces disques? You want to buy this cassette and these CDs. Cet hôtel est magnifique. This hotel is magnificent. So these are the pronunciations and the meanings of all these sentences, and this is how we use these all adjective demonstratives in sentence formation. So this is all for today. Kindly like the video if you understood the content, and please share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates on time. A très bientôt.